Breaking. SpaceX's AI-powered autonomous drones are now patrolling Earth, not space. From orbit to oceans, Elon Musk's company has silently deployed real-time, intelligent, self-flying drones across the globe. Are they here to protect humanity or to watch us? In this explosive episode of FutureWay, we uncover how SpaceX AI drones use edge computing, neural networks, and Starlink 2.0 to monitor Earth. What Starshield and Starlink integration really means for global surveillance. The military, disaster relief, and environmental roles of these drones. Growing concerns from UK, Germany, and global watchdogs. The ethical and legal questions no one's asking. Who controls the watchers? These are not just aircraft, they are planetary guardians or silent observers. This isn't the future, it's now, and the sky is no longer empty. Should we embrace AI drones as global helpers or question their unchecked power? Watch till the end and decide for yourself. Subscribe to FutureWay, your eyes into the AI-driven world. SpaceX AI drones now patrolling Earth, autonomous surveillance, or global safety. Welcome back to FutureWay, your portal to the world reshaped by artificial intelligence and human ambition. And today, we're uncovering one of the most secretive and powerful developments yet. Something that sounds like science fiction, but is fully real. SpaceX AI drones are now patrolling Earth. Let that sink in. Elon Musk's company, originally launched to explore space, is now deploying autonomous drones powered by AI, operating across land, sea, and sky. And the world is just beginning to understand what that means. These aren't toy quadcopters or military-grade UAVs controlled by human pilots. These are autonomous intelligence systems, developed with the same neural frameworks that power self-driving Teslas, but fused with real-time object recognition, geospatial awareness, and high-altitude aerial systems. They move with purpose. They think before acting. They communicate with each other like a hive mind, and they are watching. It started quietly. Under the Starshield project, SpaceX began using AI-enhanced satellite drones for surveillance, atmospheric data, and infrastructure security. But by mid-2025, insider reports from tech analysts and aerospace defense observers confirmed that SpaceX AI drones were not just floating in orbit. They were being deployed closer to home. In deserts, in oceans, near sensitive installations, over national parks, across remote global regions. Officially, SpaceX claims the AI drones are for planetary monitoring, climate protection, disaster relief, and network expansion. And to be fair, the benefits are staggering. These drones can scan forests for wildfires before they start. They can detect illegal mining, poaching, and pollution in real time. They can map radiation, atmospheric toxins, and tectonic instability with pinpoint accuracy. During the recent Pacific hurricane, SpaceX drones rerouted emergency aircraft away from unstable wind paths before any radar picked them up. But what happens when the line blurs between protection and surveillance? Critics from the UK's Civil Rights Alliance and Germany's Data Ethics Commission are already sounding alarms. These drones operate with autonomous decision-making, sometimes without immediate human oversight. They process massive amounts of image, location, and behavioral data, and thanks to their connection to the Starlink satellite mesh, they can relay that data anywhere in seconds. The concern is clear. What if these drones aren't just watching the planet, but the people? And then comes the military angle. SpaceX is not a weapons company, but it's under US government contracts with the Department of Defense. In Australia and France, officials have confirmed test collaborations where drones help monitor coastline activities. In the Middle East, sources say SpaceX's technology has been evaluated for use in AI-guided recon missions. While none of this confirms weaponization, it raises the fundamental question. Are we entering an age of corporate-led AI-enhanced surveillance, globally distributed, privately owned, and barely regulated? And the drones themselves? They're not simple machines. Built with Tesla-inspired Dojo chips, they operate on edge AI architecture, meaning they don't need to send all data back to a server to act. They think on the edge, instantly recognizing vehicles, people, temperature changes, sound patterns, and threat vectors. Their vision systems are trained on multimodal deep learning. They can see in infrared, LiDAR, radar, and visual light. They fly in silence. They hover at 50,000 feet. Some are underwater. Some sit cloaked in forests. This is no longer just space exploration. It's Earth observation at scale in real time, run by algorithms. But here's the twist. These drones aren't acting alone. They're connected to SpaceX's Starlink 2.0 AI relay, a real-time communication web that spans the globe. This mesh allows SpaceX drones to talk to each other, to satellites, to ground stations, to autonomous vehicles, to emergency systems, to AI platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini, if integrated. What we're looking at is a planet-wide nervous system with SpaceX at the center. And Elon Musk, when asked directly, he said, "If AI is going to oversee safety, we must ensure it's decentralized, fast, and trusted. The drones are eyes, not enforcers." But not everyone is convinced. In Germany, protests have begun over satellite monitoring of rural communities. In the UK, MPs are questioning the legality of autonomous drone surveillance over urban zones. In the US, cities are drafting legislation to restrict autonomous aerial surveillance, even when it's claimed to be for public safety. Still, the capabilities are undeniable. These drones helped detect a methane leak in Norway before local authorities did. They monitored volcanic eruptions near Indonesia and directed aircraft away. They've tracked endangered species migrations across Africa using predictive AI analysis. They are, in a sense, becoming the guardians of Earth. But the ethical paradox remains. Who watches the watchers? Because AI drones that monitor disaster zones could also track protesters. Drones that stop poachers could also analyze public gatherings. And systems that fly across sovereign airspace, without permission, without pilots, without accountability, can be tools of either salvation or silent domination. And here's the most mind-bending part. These drones learn. Each mission trains their collective intelligence. Every image, every temperature change, every sound is stored, compared, and refined. It's not just surveillance, it's evolution in flight. So, are we witnessing the rise of AI planetary defense, or the birth of a private AI surveillance empire? Is SpaceX securing Earth's future, or centralizing control over Earth's skies? Conclusion, CTA. Tell us what you think. Do you believe SpaceX drones are humanity's next big protector, or the start of a surveillance dystopia? Would you feel safer knowing intelligent machines are watching over the planet, or more afraid? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash the like button if this gave you chills. Subscribe to FutureWay for weekly AI plus future tech stories that challenge your reality. And hit the bell because somewhere above you, a machine may already be watching. This isn't fiction. This is the autonomous future, already airborne.